guys, so today is kind of a sad video, as you probably tell from the title. So, my bird, Pikachu, died. I'll show you a picture of him in a sec. And we're going to be making a memorial board for him, which I'm still really sad. That's probably why I haven't been posting very often. So, yeah. And I probably can't promise you if this is going to be emotional or not, but anyway, let's get into the things that you need. Some scissors, a Sharpie, or any black pen or colored pens. And then what I did is, well, I actually got my dad to get a couple of his feathers for me, and I'm going to be using them to make a dream catcher keyring, and then I'm going to be putting a couple of them on his little thing. Next up is some glue. My mom made a little sculpture of him for me. Obviously you don't need to do this, I just wanted to show you guys this. And some sellotape. And I just put this little millet in because that was his favorite treat. So here are some pictures. Obviously you're going to want lots of pictures of your bird. So yeah. I got a couple of pictures. Obviously I'm going to be cutting them all downsized. And then I just got a couple of paper that I'm going to be using to decorate where the little area is. And then I might be using the stickers, but I don't want to make it too girly or just some more paper. And then I'm using this canvas that I spray painted gold, but I rather use a photo frame, but I'm using this. And later on in the video I shall take you down to visit his grave. So first I'm going to be cutting all of these pictures.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause
and also, if you guys are wondering what happened to Pikachu, I'll tell you this whole story at the end of this video. So now I'm going to be pushing these to the side, and I'm going to be planning everything on this canvas. As you can see, I went to go and draw this really simple name. It's really easy. Didn't take very long. But if you guys are like terrible at drawing things, what you can do is maybe go on your like computer or like your electronic. You can type up something, your pet's name, in a nice font, and then print that out, and you can stick it on wherever you want to put it. So now I'm going to go and plan with all my pictures and some feathers and the millet. Okay, so I realized that I wrote a poem for Pikachu, and I would like to write it over here. So I'm just going to go and write it, because the first week that I had him, we had to write a poem for school, and I wrote one of Pikachu because that was my first week I had him, and I'm going to share it on his memorial board. This is the poem. I shall read it for you. My cockatiel makes goofy faces. He also loves chasing my laces. He sits on his perch and sings his perky songs. This funky bird's name is Pikachu. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me create this memorial board. I won't be putting a frame around this, and I'll probably be putting this above his cage. And later in the holidays, which are about 2 to 3 weeks, I'm thinking of hand-rearing my own little cockatiel, and I definitely want it to be the runt of the litter, and a male, just like Pikachu, and I might name him Pika2, so he's my second Pikachu. But if you guys have any name suggestions in honor of Pikachu, please comment them down below, because that will really make me happy and give me all of the support, just to show that people cared. And I know that it just seems like I got the Pikachu, but now I'm going to go and show you guys his grave, and then I'm going to be telling you the story of how he passed. Okay, so now I'm going to be explaining why Pikachu passed away and how. The reason why I didn't make the footage on here is just really gruesome, and I just don't want people to see it. So basically, a monkey got into where Pikachu stays, and I left the window open for the day that I was at school so he could talk to the birds like it always did. And by the way, the reason how we know this is because we have video cameras in this room. So basically, the monkey tried to grab Pikachu because he could fit his fingers through the cage, because I didn't cover the cage because Pikachu wasn't going to get out. And he tried to pull Pikachu through the cage bars, and he got very frustrated and snapped Pikachu's head off. So I know it's kind of my fault that I never covered his cage bars up, but there wasn't anything I could do about it, and Pikachu was one of the best birds I've ever had. And the reason why I felt so attached to him is just because he grew up to love me, and I grew up to love him, even though I only had him for 4 weeks. But yeah, he was my little buddy. Now, hope you guys enjoy the footage that you're gonna see.